Hi guys, Liz here. Well, today I'm going to be doing a very quick, simple vignette on this table you see behind me. So as you can see, there's a lot of white space here, and I've got an electrical switch and a thermostat to deal with. Drives me nuts. I don't know why builders have to put things on the walls the way they do. It's like, put them off to the side so you can have all that space to decorate with. Drives me nuts. It is what it is, so we're just gonna work our way around it, but let's get busy. Let's do this. I'm using my new favorite cleaner, Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. Love this stuff. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it, pretty much all the grocery stores sell it. I just love this stuff. And it leaves it nice and squeaky clean. Done. Okay guys, we got this little basket at Hobby Lobby. Yep, Hobby Lobby. There's not a price on it, so I can't tell you how much it was. Got these two at Hobby Lobby. And I like them, they're nice and wispy looking. And I love this color of green. So what I'm gonna do, let me punch you down. Okay, so I've got my little basket. I'm just gonna plop this in here. Let's see. And when you're working with this kind of stuff, you gotta just play with it, you know? You gotta get the little wispies going in the right direction. And then I've got, let's see. I have these, I hauled these for you when I went to Real Deals. So I'm gonna be using those. And I have two of these, and I got these at Hobby Lobby. And wait for those to go on sale, because this is originally $9.99. Wait for it to go 50% off. There's no reason why you should have to pay that price. Just saying. So anyway, I'm just gonna stick these in the basket. Like so. You know what, I'm gonna spread these out just a little bit. I like to take them and make them a little wispier. It makes it more full looking. So I'm gonna do it with this one too. See how much better that looks when you do that? Take a little time to kind of pull them apart. And now I'll do it with this one. And guys, I gotta tell you, I am loving, oh my gosh, am I loving yellow in my house? Loving it. I don't know why I didn't decorate with yellow years ago. But anyway, just loving it, just saying. And let's put this one in. The tags are still on, but I don't even care because nobody's even gonna see them. All right. Now let's go in with these. So I like to add shorter, like I like to use this as my base, this to add height, and then I go in with the taller ones. When you do that, it gives your arrangement more visual interest, and I am all about that. And so, you know, always add different textures, different heights. It looks awesome when you do that. And this is just so simple. So I bent a couple to look a little shorter. And then I think, oh, I've got one more of these. Didn't even see that. Now I can make it look really full. Yay. Let's see. Now I'm gonna go in with these taller ones. Try to get you pointed upward more. And guys, that's it. That's all there is to it. How simple, fast, and easy was that? It took no time at all. No time at all. And look at this end result. It's beautiful for spring or summer. So, just saying. Seriously, need I say more? Beautiful, beautiful. So let's just put this right there. And I want it to be center stage. I'm gonna add 2 lamps and really that's it. And I'm gonna call that a day. I'm gonna add 2 farmhouse lamps right here. And then 1 on this side. So the only other thing I really want to add is a simple spring hat. And if I remember correctly, I got this at the Dollar Tree last year, $1.99. So I think I'm just gonna hang it right here. I think that looks super cute. It's like I was out in the garden and I set my hat down and my florals that I picked ever so gently from the garden. That was the look I was going for. What do you think? You think I got it? Think I got it right? I'm liking it. I am. It's simple, it's cute, it's farmhouse, it's French country. Nailed it. I take that back. I thought I nailed it. I think this will nail the whole ensemble together. I've got this cute little garden bunny. Isn't he sweet? And where did I get him? I got him years ago somewhere. Where did I get him? Oh my gosh, he was only $9.99. Wow, that's cheap, $9.99. And he's heavy. Anyway, I'm gonna put this little bunny next to the basket. And now that will finish my look. Check it out. I think it's sweet. Not liking it. I'm gonna do something different. I'm just gonna move this over. And then, nope, not liking that either. Maybe the bunny needs to go over on this side. That's better. That's better. But I need a little something there. You know, you're supposed to do things in threes. What could I put there? Gotta go search. All right, I've got 2 options and I just ran to one of my hutches where I had some things stored. I was like, I could put some little carrots on the side of the basket and just lay them there. Or I have this little wire cloche with an artichoke on it. I could just set that down. So let's play. Let's see what looks better. So there's that. It's not bad. It's kind of cute. Or shall we try these? Where we can just set this beside it. I don't know, guys, I don't know. Yeah, I might use those somewhere else. I think for today, we're just gonna use this. Yep. That's how it's gonna be for today. Tomorrow it may change. Gotta think on it. But anyway, I think it's a cute little display. See, see the table? And then look above. Cute, cute, cute. Okay guys, this one is gonna wrap it up for me today. But I thank you all so much for stopping by and for your lovely comments. I really, really appreciate it. And I have to tell you something funny. You know those, hold on. You know these muffins I hauled yesterday? Well, they're called cupcakes actually. I learned that yesterday. They're called cupcakes, but to me they look more like muffins. I posted them in my Amazon store and guess what guys? We sold out of them. So for all of you guys that placed orders with these, you're gonna love them. You're gonna love them as much as I do when you receive them. So just wanna say thank you and let you guys know you're gonna love them. You will. One more thing, I have a lovely subscriber. Her name is Julia. She has a 4-year-old grandson. They live in Kansas. And apparently they watch me when they're baking together. And he is so cute. She left me a comment saying that he always does mwah with me when I close my videos out. But he pointed out to Nana the other night that I didn't do it right, or I didn't, something was missing. I didn't do it right. So are you ready? This one is for you guys. 1, 2, 3. Mwah! One more thing. If you want to add a splash of color somewhere in your kitchen or your house, a dress form is a great way to do it. This is my friend Spring. Meet Spring. She sits in my kitchen corner. She hangs out with me all the time. We're the best of friends. She teaches me how to cook and gives me lots of great recipes. Anyway, I found this yellow apron that I got at a grocery store from last year down in my storage room, and I'm like, oh, it's yellow. It'll go perfect with the kitchen. So I brought it up. I haven't had a chance to iron the apron yet, but I just want you guys to see. There are so many cute aprons you can get at Home Goods with like the little ruffles on them. Some of them have like pockets, and you can do this. You can decorate these dress forms in a lot of different ways. So you can get some spoons since it's sitting in the kitchen. If you have a little corner that's not being used, you can put these spoons in the little pocket. Oops. You could tie them with a cute little burlap ribbon. And then, hello, she's ready to cook. She's ready to bake. Is that not cute? Or you could do this, which is what I did last year. I took the hat, and then I had her in the corner with her little hat. Well, you get the idea. You could hang it off this side, you can hang it out over here, you could hang it there. Sky's the limit. Another great thing to decorate with in your house. So check it out. I found this one at Ross. I believe it was between $19.99 and $29.99. I haven't seen them there for ages, but I have seen them at Hobby Lobby. So if you like this, check it out, or my Amazon store. Check it out. All right, guys, I'm going now. Have a nice evening. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!